Custom agents can be used in Hume Maestro, for example, a graphRAG workflow backend by Orchestra. The following two nodes share a relationship that shows they may be the same person. You can expand and explore their connections in the visualization or by asking Hume Maestro. Asking a question triggers the Orchestra workflow. The query is then processed. Information is retrieved from the graph using a graphRAG approach. The information is then passed to the LLM to generate the response returned to the user. Build upon your questions with more complex queries and receive answers about your data with Hume Maestro.